Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to find the PostgreSQL data directory location in Linux operating systems. Okay, first open terminal. First we can get if we configure environment variable pg_data. See, nothing is there, so I haven't configured. Control L. The next way is ps-af grep /post. See here, -d means data directory and this is the location. Okay, this is the one way. So let's verify whether this directory contains data for the PostgreSQL. cd paste it. See, permission in it, so switch to Postgres user or user which have the permissions on this directory. Now type cd, paste that path. ls. See here we have the files and folders for the PostgreSQL, and in this base directory which contains all databases, files and folders. This is the one way. The other way is exit from this Postgres user, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. Now run the command show data _directory. See, we got the same path like here. Okay, see, this and this both are same. Okay, next method is by running the query against pg_settings. Select name comma setting from pg_settings where setting like the settings, not the setting. See, I have to give, I will keep this command in the video description. See here, select name setting from pg_settings where setting like this file character. See, in this we have the data directory. See here, name is data directory and this is the path. Okay, the last method that I am going to show you is select current _setting in quotations, copy this data directory path, paste it as pg data path. See, you got the same one. Okay, these methods are common for all Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen different commands to find the PostgreSQL data directory in Linux operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL DBA tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.